Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the super duper cute Squishmallow Aimee the chick. So let's see, I'm going to start drawing Aimee with pencil, and then after I like the sketch I have made, then I'm going to go over with a black Sharpie, and then I can erase all my pencil lines, and then I can add some color. Alright, so I'm going to start drawing Aimee with the same basic shape that we use for lots of Squishmallows, which is just kind of like the shape of a chicken nugget. And don't worry, it doesn't have to look perfect, especially while we're still using pencil. Alright, so that's the shape I'm going to use. And now Aimee's got kind of like a tummy here. She's got like a curved line on her belly. And she's got a bit of fluff on top of her head, which is so cute. And her little wings are also kind of fluffy. So cute. And now she's got two black circles for eyes. So one, and then they're spaced pretty far apart. So here's number two. And she's got 1, 2, 3 little eyelashes. 2, 3. And her eyes are in circles. Same over here. In between her eyes, we've got an upside down triangle for her cute little beak. Okay, so I think that's absolutely adorable. And I'm gonna go over my lines now with a black Sharpie, and then I can erase my pencil lines, and then I can add some color. And the only colors that we need for Aimee are a light yellow for her body and her wings and a little bit of floof, and an orange for her beak. Alright folks, so we are finished our picture of Aimee the chick. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Alright, bye!